Hello there everyone, my name is Preetham and I welcome you to NeGI Tech. Today we will review my one of very old mouse. I bought this mouse in 2014 guys, can you believe it? And I'm still using it. This is 3D mouse from 3D Connection. Still you can buy these kind of mouse, but this one probably this particular model is now obsolete or company has stopped producing it. But I would say the mouse produced by these companies are over engineered. You can use them for decades. Now before going further, let's talk more about this mouse. So this mouse is a 3D mouse having joystick on the center. You just need to use like we do in case of analog button. You just need to press this joystick or move this joystick in any direction 360 degree, and that's how you can control the geometry using this mouse. You also get two buttons. With home you're going to get extra context menu based on the application that you are running. This mouse is very useful in case of 3D software. I'm not aware of if I can use it in Blender, but you take any 3D parametric software, for example Creo Parametric or SolidWorks. This mouse is really helpful, gives you a very natural feel to interact with your 3D data. Let me show you. So this is the way I am keeping it. Since the base is too heavy, so whenever I will move this mouse like this, it will not move from its place. And I'm gonna place it here and now computer screen, and let me actually start a 3D application. So here I am starting one of very old and renowned 3D modeling application known as PTC Creo. Previously the name of this app was Pro Engineer, but it's been a while now they have changed the name. Now here I am opening a 3D model using this mouse. You really can naturally interact with the model. So here you can see this mouse. I will now simply move the mouse in the direction where I would like to rotate this model. So this way guys, we can play with our model. We can zoom in, zoom out, you can rotate in any direction, left to right, right to left. You can also rotate it like this or that. You can control your model naturally. So this is the main application or utilization of this mouse, and is, I would say, very helpful when we are creating or working with 3D objects. Now another advantage of using this mouse is, since lot of 3D software want us to press this scroll wheel button, and if somebody is pressing this scroll wheel continuously for 8 hours or 10 hours a day, you will see that these kind of mouse will get damaged very often. And since you also need to keep on pressing this scroll wheel, sometimes this also may cause fatigue in your fingers. So this mouse is really a very good alternative of interacting with your model in a natural way. Now let's jump into the kind of 3D mouse nowadays available in the market. For that, let's again jump into our computer screen, and now let me actually minimize this and let's open Google Chrome here. And now let's type Amazon and 3D Connection mouse, and there we go guys. We have got this model available. Seems like overpriced. As I showed you in our previous video, some of these components or accessories are overpriced in Amazon or Flipkart. What you need to do is you need to find out if the OEM itself sell it online or not. So let's see that. Let's open 3D Connection India, and seems like we have a shop here in India itself as well. And there we go. Here we have got this dedicated shop available, and let's also see and compare the prices. So this one is SpaceMouse Compact for 28,447, and let's see how much it cost here. And you can see the difference guys. It's going to cost you half the price what Amazon was charging you. That's why I made a dedicated video on this topic. If you haven't checked that video out, then I'm gonna put that video in the description of this one. Check out that video guys before buying any PC hardware or component. Now let's have a look on the different mouse available here. They also sell keyboard and simple and conventional mouse, but we are not interested in conventional mouse here. We are interested in 3D mouse. So I would say this is the basic one. And then if you want to go with the wired one, so the wired one here going to cost you around 17,000. If you have a business, then obviously you're gonna get discount, and then this is the cost, which is 14,600. Now let's say you want to try high end, then these are the high end mouse, which is SpaceMouse Pro wireless. And then if you want to have ultimate experience, then we have got this SpaceMouse Enterprise as well. So I would say they work pretty well, and the difference between SpaceMouse Compact or wireless and SpaceMouse Pro versus Enterprise is only that you're going to get extra buttons. And if we talk about this enterprise version, here you will see LCD as well, that kind of help you or let you know which button is for which function. So you're gonna get a lot of macros information directly in your mouse. And since these mouse are built for special softwares, for example 3D parametric softwares, so these mouse are already optimized or tuned for 3D application. Not only that, but you will also see the pre-configured macro for almost all popular software, and these are contextual, and the functionality changes whichever program you open. In the end, I would say that these mouse are extremely reliable, over engineered, and extremely friendly if you use any 3D software. So if you want any 3D software where you need mouse to interact with your 3D model, especially in case of engineering 3D or parametric 3D modeling software, and you can definitely give it a try. If you want to buy these mouse, then I'm gonna provide you the link of this website in the description of this video. If in any case you do not want to buy from their official website, then I'm gonna also provide Amazon buying link in the description of this video. But I would suggest you to directly buy it from OEM page, as they're going to give you much more discount in this particular hardware. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to NeGI Tech to follow more such tips and tricks, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.